This video illustrates how to work with even the newest IFC Express schema using ODA STEP SDK without auto-generated modules and classes. Let's say Building Smart introduces a new schema. Start with the source code. Create a session and load the schema in dynamic mode. If the schema is loaded successfully, create a repository and an empty model inside it. Switch the model to edit mode. Next, add an IFC circle with radius equal to 10 to the model, and add a polyline formed by 2 points to the model too. Save the newly created model to a file, and load the file from the disk and resave it. Build and start the test application. The schema was loaded and initialized successfully. The repository and model were created successfully too. The model is populated with entities and saved to an IFC file. Load the IFC file back, and that's it for now. Open the IFC file. Get back to the source code. Add iteration through all objects derived from the IFC curve class. For every object, obtain a dynamically derived attribute named dim. Dim stands for curve dimension. Dump to the screen the dim attribute for every curve in the loop. Build and run the test application. Stop at the breakpoint. Load the model from the save file. Start iteration through all IFC curve-derived curves. Dump the dim attribute for every curve. Save the loaded model to a new file. In the console screen, you can see dimensions for all curves from the file. Open the two IFC files. Both files are identical and contain the following: polylines, formed by the points, and a circle with radius 10 and the center in the point referenced.